What value do you provide for someone? What service can you provide? One kid said, I'm going to try this real quick. Went knocking on doors. His goal was 250 to 500 that day for cleaning windows. He did it in one deal. Did it in an hour. Cleaned, I think he made 225, and boom, he was up. You know, he was up on dollars where there was no income. It wasn't a job. It wasn't like he walked in, applied, asked to talk to the manager, work for someone else's dream. That was something else that the other guy mentioned. The Iraqi guy was mentioning that he had to go back and do tires, but he didn't just do tires. He talked to all the Mercedes-Benz owners. He always thought his success moment was to have a convertible Mercedes-Benz, and that's the first car that he bought. But talking to those guys, what do? Some are in manufacturing, but most of them